Hi people, my name's Ollie, I'm 31 and I'm quite an experienced coder. I've been coding now since I was 13 years old, but primarily web applications development. But I've had a real desire to work on something more creative. Yeah, I'd really like to use my coding knowledge as a platform of creativity. So I've decided, I think I'm going to make a game. This is a game that I've had as an idea in my head for possibly as long as 10 years, but just never really took it seriously as an idea that I should pursue or work on. But I think now is the time, really. I'll create something beautiful, artistic. Use code to do so, I think, is like a perfect expression of creativity for me. So this is my intention. Yeah, I know that building games is hard. It's your typical kind of idea maybe that might bring someone to the idea of game development, which is a multiplayer game, an open world game with a big map. So obviously there's a lot of challenge there. I would like to be able to support as much concurrency as possible. Yeah, I mean, I had visions of 50 to 100 players on one dedicated server playing. So yeah, I'm not naive to the fact that that's an incredibly difficult challenge. So my plan is to be quite pragmatic, to use assets where I need to scale down the idea for an initial kind of playable demo, by identifying core game loop, key mechanics that I want to integrate, and also start by only supporting a subsection of the map, which the map that I've had in my vision for the world contains an island. I think that's perfect, really, as a place to start, to use that island as the first part of the world that I develop, to test out core mechanics, to get some kind of small scale multiplayer demo, maybe 5 to 10 people up and running, and learn from that. So I plan to experiment, try things out, record my process as much as possible, and just see where I go from the things that I learn. So yeah, this is my intention. I'm just saying it out loud to try and hold myself accountable and to share the journey so that anyone who's interested can follow along. And yeah, we'll see how it goes, I suppose. Alright, that's all for today. Much love to all the people out there, and I will speak to you soon.